Hi guys, a very warm welcome from DKA Funds Insight. In this video, we're going to talk about a new fund launched by Mirae Asset Mutual Fund. Mirae Asset Mutual Fund has launched its first equity focused fund, Mirae Asset Focused Fund. This is a open-ended fund which will be investing in a maximum of 30 stocks. The fund manager has the flexibility to invest across large cap, mid cap, and small cap categories and across sectors. So this will work like a multi-cap fund. The fund aims to build a portfolio of strong growth companies reflecting most attractive investment ideas. The new fund offer has opened on April 23rd and will continue till May 7. This fund will be managed by Gaurav Misra, who has previously handled such type of funds in his previous job at ASK Investment Managers. Mr. Misra was with ASK for over 13 years and comes with 23 years of experience of fund research. Currently, Mr. Misra is also associated with a very popular Mirae Asset India Equity Fund. The fund will use Nifty 200 index as its benchmark. The minimum investment amount is rupees 5,000 and multiples of rupees 1 thereafter. The minimum SIP amount is rupees 1,000 per application and in multiples of rupees 1 thereafter. Mirae Asset Mutual Fund has completed more than 10 years in India and has broken into the top 15 fund houses in terms of assets under management. The company's assets under management are 27,000 crore as on 31st March 2019. This asset management company has around 13.9 lakhs investor folio. Out of that, 6.9 lakh SIP investors as on 31st March. Mirae Asset's flagship equity scheme, Mirae Asset India Equity Fund, is being reclassified from multi-cap to large cap and will be known as Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund. This means that fund will have to invest at least 80% of its asset in the top 100 companies by market cap, giving up the flexibility to move between large, mid, and small cap companies that it now enjoys. The changes comes into effect from 1st May 2019. Hence, this Mirae Asset Focused Equity Fund is a good option for those investors who were looking for a multi-cap fund after the announcement of reclassification of Mirae Asset India Equity Fund. But investors have to understand that Mirae Asset Focused Equity Fund is a focused multi-cap fund which can invest in a concentrated portfolio of up to 30 stocks only. Focused fund have the same mandate as of a multi-cap fund except the ceiling on number of stocks. They are attractive but they can be risky if fund manager goes wrong with a stock pick. Now the possibility of significant loss in a focused fund is far higher as compared to a normal multi-cap fund. Because in a focused fund, a position in a stock can be 5 to 10% of the portfolio or even more. Because the number of stocks in the portfolio are only up to 30, hence there might be possibility that for a particular stock, fund manager has invested 8 or 10%. And if fund manager goes wrong with that stock pick, then that can reduce the return for the stock. And if fund manager goes wrong with the 2 or 3 stocks, then the outcome will be very bad. So if 2 or 3 stocks are not performing in the portfolio, total portfolio return will be reduced or maybe negative. So this fund seems promising as Mirae Asset has a history of almost 10 years and all its funds are performing well. And fund also has a very experienced fund manager. But investor needs to keep in mind that it is a focused multi-cap fund which will invest in a concentrated portfolio of up to 30 stocks. So there is a concentration risk. If you have any question, please comment below. I will try to answer your queries. You can also write us. Our email address is dkafundsinsight@gmail.com. Mutual funds are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully. Do your research. Be informed. Happy investing.